Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to host website on GitHub for free. Here we have a repository that contains 3 files: main HTML, main CSS, and an image. If I scroll down a bit, you will notice that this project is made up of 65% CSS and 35% HTML. To begin, let's head over to Settings. Next, click on the Pages option under the Code and Automation section. For the source, select Deploy from a branch and choose the branch where your code is located. In my case, it's the main branch. Then select the directory. I'll choose root since I didn't place my code in any subdirectory. After that, click Save to save the GitHub Pages source. Now, go back to the Code tab. You'll see a small yellow circle. Click on it and then click on Details. This shows the back-end processing of what's happening. Once all the steps are successfully completed, it's time to return to Settings and go to Pages again. Within a few seconds, you'll see the link to your website. Refresh the browser and your website is now live. You can click on the link or the Visit Site option to open your website. Anyone can access the website using the generated link. If you want to unpublish the hosted website, simply click on the 3 dots and choose the Unpublished Site option. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.